Alright, let's deal with intercepts in context, right? Now we have an example up here that says this. Alright. Sandia Peak Tramway in Albuquerque, New Mexico travels 4,500 meters to the top of Sandia Peak. Its speed is 300 meters per minute. Alright. The function 4,500 minus 300x gives the tram's distance in meters from the top of the peak after x minutes. So it starts off 4,500 away and then moves toward, and then in 15 minutes it's there. Alright. To find the x-intercept, replace the output with 0. This is your y, so your output is 0. And solve for x, which is 15. It takes 15 minutes to reach the peak. To find the y-intercept, replace x with 0. So you're going to replace this x with 0 and solve. Right? Which gives you 4,500. That's the start, right? So let's do this. We're going to do the same thing down here. A hot air balloon is 750 meters above the ground and begins to descend at 25 meters per minute. The function f of x, right, height in terms of minutes, is 750 minus 25. So, here we go. We're going to find the x-intercept. So we replace the y value, in this case f of x, with 0. So 0 equals 750 minus 200 minus 25. If we subtract 750, right, we get negative 750 equals negative 25x. And we divide by negative 25, divide by negative 25, and we get x is 30, right? So it takes 30 minutes to reach the ground. And there you see it right here, 30 minutes to reach the ground when it's 0. To find the y-intercept, replace x with 0. So 750 minus 25 times 0, that totally equals 750. So the height above the ground when it starts is 750, which we can see right there. Right? Classmate says the graph shows the path of the tram. Do you agree? No. No, it doesn't, right? It shows distance from destination. Not actually where it's moving, but how far it is from the destination. Right? So here we go. We're going to do one down here. Then we'll pause this video and be done. Right? Temperature of an experiment is increased at a constant rate over a period of time with the temperature until the temperature reaches 0. So we got to start below 0. The equation y equals 5 over x, 5 halves x minus 70 gives the temperature in Celsius and x in hours after the experiment. Find the x and y-intercepts. So for my x-intercept, I'm going to let y equal 0. So here I go. Come over here and I'm going to let 0 equals 5 halves x minus 70. We add 70. 70 equals 5 halves x. We multiply by the reciprocal, 2 over 5. Right? 2 over 5. Well, 70 goes into 5. If we reduce both by 5, it goes into 14 times, which means x equals 28. Right? And that means 28, is it hours? Let's see. 28 hours. Hours to reach 0 Celsius, right? And the y-intercept, let's do the y-intercept over here. Y-intercept, you're going to like this one a lot better. We let x equal 0. Y equals 5 halves times 0 minus 70, and so this just cancels out. Y equals negative 70. So negative 70. This is degrees at start. So look through these. Study this, right? Study it. Make sure that you kind of get an idea of some of this. And we'll talk more. We'll do some practice. So I'm going to end this with this third page. We got one more page to go.